In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bank details in Zoho Invoice. By the end, your invoices will clearly show the information customers need to pay you by bank transfer, right on the PDF. This method adds your bank information to the invoice template so it appears consistently every time you send or download an invoice. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account and landing on the homepage dashboard. Even though the title mentions Zoho Invoice, the templates and settings we'll use live in the same place within Zoho's Finance Suite, so the process is the same. Make sure you have the right organization selected if you manage more than one, and confirm you have permission to edit templates. From the left sidebar, head into the Sales section. This is where you manage quotes, invoices, and related documents. Next, select Invoices to focus on the document type we're updating. We're not editing a single invoice itself. We're going to change the template that those invoices use, so your bank details appear automatically on every invoice made with that design. Look to the top right corner for the Settings area. Open Settings to get to the configuration pages. Inside Settings, find the Customization area. This is where all your document layouts and styles live, including how information is arranged on PDFs. Choose PDF templates next. These templates control how your documents look when you print or email them as PDFs. Now pick the Invoices group, so we're targeting the correct document type. You'll see a list of your available invoice templates. Identify the template you normally use for clients. Often it's marked as the default. Click Edit on that template to open the layout editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a menu of sections on the left and a live preview on the right. Look for the section labeled Other Details. This area is designed for extra information you want to present near the bottom or summary portion of the invoice. Select it to bring up its options. Now, choose Add Your Bank Details. This reveals a text area where you can enter the banking information you want clients to use for payments. Keep it clear and concise. Typically, you'll include the bank name, the account holder name, the account number or IBAN, the branch or sort code, and the SWIFT or BC code for international transfers. If you want customers to include a payment reference, add a short note like, "Please use the invoice number as the payment reference." Avoid adding personal data you don't want widely shared. This will appear on every PDF you send. As you type, think about readability. Use short lines, separate each item onto its own line, and keep the wording consistent with the rest of your invoices. If you invoice in multiple currencies, you can note the currency for that account, or keep the wording general if the same account accepts multiple currencies. If you have more than one bank account for different regions, consider which single set of details you want to display on this template. When you've entered your details, click Preview to see how it looks on an actual invoice layout. The preview helps you check spacing, line breaks, and whether the text wraps neatly without pushing other elements out of place. Make sure it's visible enough for a client to spot quickly, but not so long that it overwhelms the footer area. If anything looks off, return to the text field and adjust the wording or line breaks. Once you're happy with the appearance, click Save. Your bank details are now part of this invoice template. From now on, any invoice that uses this template will include the bank information in the Other Details area on the PDF. If you work with multiple templates, for example, different brands, languages, or layouts, repeat this process in each template you actively use so your bank information is consistent everywhere. That's it. You've added bank details to your invoice template, making it easier for clients to pay you accurately and on time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this flow whenever you update your banking information.